Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today you are going to learn Madani Qaida lesson number 12. Let's read some rules first. Lesson number 12, Noon, Sakin and Tanween, Izhar, Ikhfa. Before starting the rules, let me tell you about Noon, Sakin and Tanween first. If you remember, you learned in lesson number 7 that any letter that has jazm on it is called Sakin. If ba has jazm on it, ba is sakin. Jim has jazm on it, jim is sakin. So when the letter noon has jazm on it, noon is sakin. And tanween, you learned in lesson number 5, two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called tanween. So there are some rules about noon sakin and tanween. Number 1, there are 4 cases of noon sakin and tanween. Number 1, izhar. 2, ikhfa. 3, idgham. 4, iqlab. Number 1, izhar. If any halkiya letter comes after a noon sakin or tanween, then izhar will be done. That is ghunna, nasalization will not be done when pronouncing such a noon sakin and tanween. There are 6 halkiya letters and they are hamza ha, ain ha, ghain and kha. That means if you see any halkiya letter after noon sakin or after tanween, after 2 zabar, 2 0, 2 pesh, so the rule is izhar will be done and ghunna will not be done. Ghunna means taking the sound into the nose. So when izhar is done, ghunna is not done. And halkiya letters are 6: hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain and kha. Let me give you one example. Please look at the first box in line 1. You can see noon has jazm on it, so this noon is noon sakin. And after noon sakin, hamza is coming, and hamza is from halkiya letters. So in this word, in this noon sakin, izhar will be done, ghunna will not be done. That means you have to read this word like this: min ajalin. If you read it as min ajalin, it is not correct. Next rule, ikhfa. Ikhfa. If any ikhfa letter comes after a noon sakin or tanween, then ikhfa will be done. That is ghunna, nasalization will be done when pronouncing such a noon sakin and tanween. There are 15 ikhfa letters and they are ta, tha, jim, dal, dal, za, sin, shin, sod, dod, ta, do, fa, qaf, kaf. That means if you see any ikhfa letter after noon sakin or after tanween, so the rule ikhfa will be done and ghunna will also be done. That means you have to take the sound into your nose when you pronounce noon sakin or tanween. For example, look at the third box in line 2. You can see noon sakin in this word, and after noon sakin, ta is coming, and ta is from ikhfa letters. So the rule ikhfa will be done in this noon sakin. That means you have to read noon sakin with gunna, with nasalization, like this: faman tabi'a. If you read like faman tabi'a, it is not correct. You have to do gunna. Note, the rules of idgham and iqlab have been explained in lesson number 14. Let's start reading from line 1. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Mim, Noon, Zer, Min. Hamza, Zabar, A. Min, A. Jim, Zabar, Ja. Min, Aja. Lam, Do, Zer, Lin. Min, Aja, Lin. Mim, Noon, Zer, Min. Ha, Alif, Zabar, Ha. Min, Ha. Dal, Do, Zer, Din. Min, Ha, Din. Mim, Noon, Zer, Min. Ain, Zabar, A. Min, A. Lam, Zabar, La. Min, Ala. Qaf, Do, Zer, Qin. Min, Ala, Qin. Mim, Noon, Zer, Min. Ha, Zabar, Ha. Min, Ha. Kaf, Ya, Zer, Ki. Min, Haki. Mim, Do, Zer, Min. Min, Hakimin. Now without spelling. Min, Ajalin. Min, Hadin. Min, Alaqin. Min, Hakimin. Next line. Mim, Noon, Zer, Min. Ghain, Zabar, Gha. من غا، فا واو پیش فو، من غفو، را دو زیر رن، من غفورن، میم نون زیر من، خا واو زبر خو، من خو، فا دو زیر فن، من خوفن. You can see in all of these boxes after noon sakin halkiya letters are coming. So in all of these boxes the rule is har will be done, gunna will not be done. Now in the next boxes you can see ikhfa letters are coming after noon sakin. So ikhfa will be done, gunna will be done. Next box, fa zabar fa, mim noon zabar man, fa man, ta zabar ta, ba zir bi, tabi, ain zabar a, tabi a, faman tabi a. Let me tell you one more thing, that if there are more than one words and each word contains more than two letters, so you can spell them separately. You can spell each word separately. For example, faman is a separate word and tabi'a is a separate word. So first you can spell faman separately, then tabi'a separately. After that you can read all together. Next box, mim noon zir min, tha zabar tha, min tha, mim zabar ma, min sama, ra zabar ra, min samara, ta do zir tin, min samaratin. Now without spelling, min ghafurin, min khawfin, faman tabi'a, min samaratin. Next page, mim noon zir min, jim waw pesh ju, min ju, ain do zir in, min ju in, mim noon zir min, dal waw pesh du, min du, noon zir ni, min duni, kaf mim pesh kum, min dunikum, mim noon zir min, zal zabar za, min za, ha zabar ha, min zaha, ba do zir bin, min zahabin, fa zabar fa, hamza noon zir in, fa in, za zabar za, lam lam zabar lal, zalal, ta mim pesh tum, zalal tum, fa in zalaltum. Now without spelling, min ju'in, min dunikum, min dhahabin, fa in zalaltum. Next line, mim noon zabar man, sin zabar sa, man sa, fa zir fi, man safi, ha zabar ha, man safi ha, mim noon zabar man, shin zabar sha, man sha, kaf zabar ka, man shaka, ra zabar ra, man shaka ra, mim noon zir min, صاد لام زبر صل، من صل، صاد الف زبر صا، من صل صا، لام دو زیر لن، من صل صالن، حمزہ نون زیر ان، ضاد زبر ضا، ان ضا، لام لام زبر لل، ان ضلل، تا پیش تو، ان ضللتو. Now without spelling, ma safiha, ma shakara, min salsalin, in dalaltu. Next line, mim noon zir min, ta ya zir ti, min ti, noon do zir nin, min tinin, mim noon zabar man, dha zabar dha, man dha, لام زبر لا، من ظلا، میم زبر ما، من ظلم، میم نون زیر من، فا پیش فو، من فو، را واو پیش رو، من فرو، جیم دو زیر جن، min furujin. Mim noon zer min. Qaf ba zabar qab. Min qab. Lam pesh lu. Min qablu. Without spelling. Min tinin. Man zalama. Min furujin. Min qablu. Mim noon zer min. Kaf zer ki. Min ki. Ta khada zabar ta. Min kita. Ba do zer bin. Min kitabin. Ya noon zabar yan. Hamza wow zabar aw. Yan aw. You can see Hamza is coming after noon sakin in this word. So the rule izhar will be done here. That means you have to read without doing gunna, without taking the sound into the nose, like yan aw. If you say yan aw, it is not correct. Noon zabar na. Yan aw na. Mim noon zer min. Ha mim pesh hum. Min hum. Izhar will be done even in this word, because ha is from halkiya letters coming after noon sakin. Next, Hamza noon zabar an. Ain mim zabar am. An am. Ta zabar ta. An am ta. Ain is a halkiya letter coming after noon sakin. So izhar will be done, gunna will not be done. Without spelling. Min kitabin yan awna minhum an'amta. Inshallah, you will learn rest of the lines in the next video.